Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm here to unleash the one of our extraordinary product, WG259E Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The all-new Worx Cordless 20-inch hedge trimmer in your hands. You will have the power, precision, and versatility to maintain your hedge at the highest level.
What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section.
So, the right in front of me is a cordless machine with the blade cover, and it also comes with the handle, blade guard, and 2-piece screw. Next, we have provide the product manual and warranty card for this machine, and last battery and a battery charger.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.